Hey y'all, it's Xureila and I am back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from Reshine hair, and this wig is 24 inches, 150% density, and it is a deep wave wig with a middle part. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all see how I do this and play some good music. Don't forget to check out this hair down below in the description, but if y'all want to see how I transform this wig, then just keep watching.
This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Alright, y'all, so here is the finished look. This came out too cute. With lace. With lace. With lace, honey. With lace. With lace. With lace. Please let me know which lace. Where the lace is. But yeah, so this is a finished look. You know, I'm a savage or whatever. I'm a savage. Yeah. This is so cute. I love this. It's long, cute. 24 inches. Really bouncy. Shakety, like soft as ever, and it is some really good hair. Y'all go check out Reshine hair. Everything about this hair will be down below in the description. Y'all seen how easy it was for me to install it, and y'all see where the lace is. Like, y'all don't see the lace. Actually, y'all don't see the lace. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out this hair. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.